Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Neteller login problems. Authentication helps step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Neteller app or the official website and not a copied link. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your connection. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because wrong time can break authentication. Update the Neteller app to the latest version from Google Play or the App Store. If you use a browser, update your browser and try a different one like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Clear the app cache on Android, or reinstall the app on iPhone to remove corrupted data. If you use a browser, clear cookies and cache, then restart the browser completely. Disable any VPN, proxy, or ad blocker temporarily, because they can trigger security blocks. Restart your phone or computer to clear background errors and refresh security services. Type your email and password manually and avoid autofill to prevent hidden wrong characters. Check if caps lock is on, and ensure your keyboard language is correct. If you forgot your password, use Forgot Password and set a new strong password you have not used before. After resetting, wait a few minutes and try again, because security systems can take time to sync. If you receive an authentication code by SMS, confirm your phone number is active and has signal. If SMS codes do not arrive, toggle SIM settings or restart the phone. Then request a new code. Check if your SMS inbox is full and delete old messages if needed. If you use email verification, check spam, promotions, and junk folders for the code. Copy the code carefully and do not add spaces, because extra spaces make the code invalid. If the app says too many attempts, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes to remove the temporary lock. Look for any Neteller service status alerts on their official channels if login is down globally. If you recently changed devices, be ready for extra verification and complete the security prompts. Review your account for any security notifications that ask you to confirm new login activity. Try logging in from a different device to confirm whether the problem is device-specific. If you cannot access because of 2FA app issues, check your Authenticator time sync settings. If you lost access to your 2FA method, use Neteller's account recovery options inside the help section. Prepare your account details and contact Neteller support if the issue continues, because they can remove blocks. When support asks, provide exact error messages and the time it happened to speed up verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.